Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a vital component for anyone looking to revitalize their HP M128 printer, the CZ181-60139 control panel display screen. This specific part is engineered as a direct replacement for the original display, offering a practical solution for those frustrating instances when a printer's interface begins to malfunction or goes completely dark. It is important for potential buyers to understand the nature of the spare part. It is clearly identified as a replacement component, not an original genuine HP part. However, this distinction does not diminish its potential value, especially for individuals seeking an economical repair option. Regarding its condition, the item might be a compatible new unit or an original refurbished one, with the specific type being dispatched randomly. This approach offers flexibility in sourcing and pricing, a detail that prospective purchasers should certainly be aware of prior to finalizing their order. The emphasis on careful verification cannot be overstated when considering this particular repair part. Before proceeding with a purchase, it is absolutely crucial for the buyer to meticulously examine the item's physical appearance and, more importantly, its part number. This diligent step is essential to confirm that the replacement screen will indeed be fully compatible and integrate seamlessly with their specific HP M128 printer model. A discrepancy in part numbers, even if the visual aspects appear similar, could unfortunately lead to installation difficulties or a complete lack of functionality, transforming a hopeful repair into a source of considerable frustration. This particular display screen is not offered with customization options, which simplifies the selection process by presenting a standard design and feature set. The contents of the package can vary, with choices ranging from a single piece to a set or a lot, depending on the specific selection made during the purchase. This flexibility allows buyers to acquire precisely what they require, whether it is a solitary replacement unit or multiple items for future maintenance needs or inventory. For those who have encountered issues with their HP M128's control panel, such as illegible text, flickering visuals, or total screen failure, this CZ181-60139 replacement part offers a viable pathway to restoration. It provides an opportunity for users to undertake repairs themselves or to supply a suitable component to a professional technician, potentially avoiding the significant expense of acquiring an entirely new printer. The availability of such specialized repair components underscores the growing trend towards DIY printer maintenance and the collective desire to extend the operational lifespan of electronic devices. While it necessitates a thorough verification of compatibility, the prospect of restoring full functionality to a valued printer makes this spare part a compelling choice for many. It represents a pragmatic solution for common printer display ailments, offering a chance to return that HP M128 to its optimal working condition without an excessive financial outlay.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.